What's up, guys? Welcome to Protect and Survive. Today I'm going to show you how to use this bottle of lotion to protect your house, or your home, or wherever you live. Stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. Protect and Survive. Just some thoughts come to my mind when it comes to protecting your house from a home invasion. You can do things like get a 2x4, hammer a bunch of nails like this, crisscross, and put them inside your windowsill, right? So if somebody opens the window at night, they try to creep in, they press their hand down, it's a wrap. Alright? Spray everything black. It's nighttime, they can't see it. That's one form of a booby trap. So a lot of the stuff that I dictate can be applied. Because I don't have really time to do all that stuff, but if you have time to make it at home and it helps you protect your loved ones, by all means do it. Alright, I'm going to show you this little something method that I came up with. Somebody tries to break in your house. Watch. You got a dark space right in front of your house, right? Look, boom. Okay? Take lotion. Do it right in front of your door. That door opens, somebody comes in. Right? That's one method, right? You're gonna slip, you're gonna fall, you're gonna step all over your booby trap. You could also use marbles, anything that's slick, oil, something if you need to defend your home. That'll give you one upper, and you can throw rocks, knives, or shoot them if you have to. Alright? Guys, welcome to Protect and Survive. Stay safe.